Good day, viewers. Welcome to Fraction TV. Keep watching, keep learning. Hey, remember, when it starts, don't touch that dial. Go.
Good day, viewers. Welcome to Friendships TV. In today's video, I'll be letting out some important topic commonly set in mathematics WAEC examination. But before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Tutu Francis. Once again, welcome to Friendships TV. Kindly click on the subscription button to get more notification. Kindly invite your friends to enjoy this wonderful package. In today's video, I'll be talking about commonly set topic in mathematics exam. But before I continue, there's need for me to make you understand the importance of mathematics or the importance of WAEC exam. Now, when we are talking about mathematics in WAEC, it is divided into three sections. We have the objective and we have the theoretical aspects. Now, when we are talking about the objective question in mathematics is made up of 50 questions, automatically 50 marks. But when we are talking about the theoretical aspects, the theory is divided into two sections. We have section A, which is also known as part A, and we have section B. Now for the section A is actually made up of 5 questions. And the 5 questions in section A are compulsory. And they are made up of, the section A is made up of 5 questions. And the 5 questions in section A are very compulsory. And the marks for each question is 8 marks. Automatically, section A is made up, this total mark for section A is 14 marks. For section B, the question in section B is 10 questions, but candidates are expected to answer 5 questions, and each question carries a mark of 12 marks. Each question carries a mark of 12. Now, when we are looking at section A, section A, we'll be talking about some commonly set questions in section A. In this particular video, I'll be concentrating more on section A. Now, when we are talking about section A, some topics, we'll be talking about some likely questions or some likely topics in section A. The first one on my list happens to be indices. Now, when we are talking about indices, what the examiner will be looking out for is the application of the law of indices. Now, the next topic, logarithm. Now, when we are talking about logarithm, as a student, when you are about to study logarithm, you study logarithm using two perspectives, logarithm with table and logarithm without table. Now, the next topic that is commonly set again in section A is solved. Now, when we are talking about solved, you are expected to know the addition, the subtraction, and rationalization. Those are the ways in which we exit their question when it comes to solve. They will look at addition of numbers, they will look at subtraction, and they will also look at what rationalization. Now, the next topic that is commonly set in section A is number base. When we are talking about number base, we're talking about the addition, we're talking about the subtraction, we'll also look at the conversion of bases. And when we are talking about number base, the examiner can decide to ask questions that will lead to a quadratic equation. Now, other topics that are commonly set in section A is business mathematics. Now, when you are talking about business maths, topics present in business maths are profit and loss, taxation, depreciation and appreciation, simple interest, compound interest. Now, in section A, we also have statistics. But in section A, statistical question will be based on mean, median, mode, range, or representation of data, which may involve the use of pie charts, bar charts, histogram. Now, in section A, topics that are set in section A can also be in form of a probability. Can also set probability in what's in section A. In section A, we also have what set involving the use of what union, intersection, complement. Those are the kind of questions to be expected in section A. For the section A2, there are some questions based on what circle geometry, a measuration of plane figures such as rectangle, square, kite, rhombus, parallelogram, and trapezium. They can also ask questions on solid figures such as cuboid, cone, frustum, etc. Now, in section A, question can also be set from this particular angle, AP, arithmetic progression or geometric progression. In section A, they can also decide to ask question based on fraction, use of board mass, simple question based on the use of board mass. They can also ask question based on the use of standard form, addition using standard form. Standard form question can also be in section A. In section A, some questions